So good evening everyone. Today we will be seeing the solution of an code forces problem. It is called stand-up comedian. It is from educational rounds 142 rated for Dev 2. So what given in the problem? There have been given the jokes. Right, we have been provided within 4 integers a1, a2, a3 and a4. These are representing the jokes. The first type is representing the joke which is liked by both Alice and Bob. So basically we have two kind of audience, Alice and Bob, and their mood is going to increase or decrease. Their mood will going to increase if they like a particular joke, and their mood will going to decrease if they don't like a particular joke. So the type 2, it is representing that Alice is going to like it but the Bob doesn't. Type 3, it's saying that Bob is going to like them but the Alice won't. Similarly type 4, it is representing that neither Alice nor Bob is going to like the jokes. So if you observe carefully over here, we will see what is going to become the basic intuition or how God will solve the problem. See, the problem is kind of greedy and mathematical. So if it's a greedy problem, we can simply think of it as we have to just keep the mood as big as possible so that the maximum number of jokes can be particularly cracked. So if I take this type 1, it is saying that it is going to increase the mood. So what happens if I just particularly take it? If I take it at the first step, it will going to increase the mood. Initially the mood are 0 0. We have to increase the mood. We have to keep the mood as big as possible. So I will use its type 1. And the type 4 particularly, it is saying that it will definitely it is going to decrease the mood. So we will talk about it at the later steps. Now this 2 and 3 is crucial because one is going to increase the mood of Alice and the other one is going to increase the mood of Bob. So if I take you to an important, let us say this is the important discussion in which I have taken a test case, and we're going to see that. Firstly, I will just basically use this 2. It is representing that the joke of type 1. I have used it. Now after this I have 5. If you see over here, let us say the lower row is presenting the Alice mood and the upper is presenting the Bob's mood. Now if I see over here, I have written a +1 and a -1. So these are basically the moods at a particular point. If I use this one, it is saying that it will increase by 1, it will decrease by 1. Now if I use this one, it is saying it is decreased by 1, it is increased by 1. So the net effect is nullified. So if I use all of these 5 which are of type 2, they will increase the mood of Bob by 5 times, and simultaneously if I use this 5 number of Bobs, the equal number as of this kind of joke, if the type 2 and type 3 becomes equal, they have a nullifying effect. They won't affect the mood at all. So why to waste time in calculating, or why to just basically make the mood lower? So until this step we will going to keep the mood as big as possible as the earlier one. So now as you can see that the 5 number of type 2 and 5 number of type 3 have been jokes are cracked. Now at this stage this 2 have not been altered because this 2 comes from the initial one. It is saying that 2 jokes are cracked such that they will increase both the going to increase both the mood by 1. So the mood have become 2. Now this mood is not altered because I have used the particular number of equal type 2 and type 3 jokes. Now after this there is an important step. Either I take any of these, they are definitely going to decrease the joke. So, and they will decrease the joke until the mood becomes -1. So either I take the difference of this because these jokes are exhausted. Now the 5 jokes of this are left with and 6 jokes are left from here. So both of these will going to just decrease the pattern. So if you say that these are more than your current mood or this 2, if these are particularly more than this, then they will going to decrease the mood until it becomes -1. So the answer could be either this +1 because the -1, or if both of these sum is lesser than this, try to think carefully. If both of these sum is lesser than this, then let us say that these will contribute and will become equals to 1. Now what I'll see that this 2 is going to be decreased by 1, right? Okay. So As you can see, the problem is now pretty easier. Now all the remaining will going to reduce down, and the 2 will be reduced to 3 as it is going to become -1. So 3 more jokes can be cracked. Now let us just quickly see the code, and for a better understanding, firstly we will just create the integer t, which will correspond to the number of test cases. Then after that I will use a while loop while t minus minus greater than 0. Then I will just basically use the long to just declare the variables, and I will just get it from the user. After this, if a of 1 is equals to 0, which means that, listen carefully, if a of 1 is equals to 0, it means that the mood is going to be as 0 as possible. None of the jokes is going to be cracked, so the answer will going to become 1, right? It is an important edge case. If I use the else statement, it is saying that minimum of a2 comma a3, it is saying that minimum of these is going to represent this particular portion 5, because the net effect is going to be nullified. So I have used the variable pairs to denote it. After that I will use the remainder, which will tell that a2 minus a3 plus of a4, which is the last category plus the remaining ones after deleting this particular minimum, right? After that I will use the extra, which is minimum of these two. A of 1 plus 1, it is representing that it will going to be decreased until it becomes -1, and this remainder is representing the number of things we are left out with, and just we will basically print out this answer. Now we have used pairs into 2 because the jokes are cracked twice. If you see over here carefully, you will see that this 5 category of this joke type 2 and 5 categories of type 3, the both of categories are cracked, therefore into 2 have been done. I hope you understand the solution. Thank you.